cosplay world, if you're looking to carve into your EVA foam, this is an excellent material for you to do so. It has a lot of options for you, and it comes in a range of well, thicknesses, so you can get what you want without having to add various layers and covering up those lines as well, which is really nice because we don't want to have our work look like a layer cake. It detracts from the look, or it's just kind of more work to fix up. When we're working with EVA foam and we're carving with it, I definitely suggest a Dremel. You might be interested in getting a rotary tool, but rotary tools tend to be more powerful, and in this case I prefer the dexterity over the power because this is already a soft material. We'll get what we need out of it. If you're carving a lot of very straight lines, I may go with the layering effect as I mentioned earlier, but if it's more organic, if it's more if there's more curves involved, then I definitely go with the Dremel and carving design out of that. If you need to, you can do multiple layers, but because I'm picky, you can absolutely order up to like an inch or more thickness of foam online and get it as one continuous work. Now, we're going to have to finish this because it's going to be a little bumpy, it's going to be a little rough, and that's when we hit it with a heat gun to heat seal it. Anything that's still a little burry, we might want to go back and clean it up with, say, a file or sandpaper and then hit it again. Or in the worst case scenario, we might have to do some sealing. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy carving and introducing more interesting, unique designs into your work. Good times to all. Hurrah! If you like cosplay, hit that sub button, because boy do I have videos for you.